What's going on, guys? Just a little bit of a trade analysis today for my NAS trade. As you guys know, I'm back on NAS, and as you can see, we took a W. So I'm just gonna kind of go over the trade, everything I looked at pre-market to then take the trade, and where I can improve and kind of do a little bit better. Let's of course though start with the verse of the day, Isaiah 53 verse 6. We all, like sheep, have gone astray. Each of us has turned to our own way, and the Lord has laid on him the iniquity of us all. So I didn't know what this meant at first, so I had to look it up. But iniquity means like the sins and like the things that we did, the wrongdoing. So Lord has laid on him the iniquity of us all, meaning he laid all of our sins to Jesus, obviously, when he died on the cross for us. So honestly, I really, really, really like this verse. And when I saw that, I was like, wow, because I don't know what like iniquity meant. And then when I saw this, I was like, wow, like what a great verse. Very straightforward. And I love how the Bible just like correlates like everywhere. Each person, because it's Isaiah, Matthew, Mark, whoever it is, they all just like correlate and all have like the same things around the same times. So I absolutely love it. And it's a great verse, and I'm actually going to post this one today and highlight it. I do use the Bible app if you guys want to follow along with me, kind of see each day. But yeah, I use the Bible app. So I'll also leave my link if you guys want to add me, follow me, and sharing verses and all that stuff. So let's get right into the trade today. So looking at the 4-hour, we're very, very bullish, pushing up, expecting just key zone to key zone. Minor zone already did its thing. Obviously this type of rejection here. So we were above this area and this whole red area. So it's like, okay, that's a good sign. Let's go on our hourly now. And what do you guys see about the hourly? Right around here. Blue to blue, 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 so on and so forth. You see, that's like already, that was like 8. Like there's maybe like 1, 2, 3 that don't. So that's what I was looking at. So I knew I wanted to see that blue to blue zone, but I needed to find my entry. So I was looking at the 15-minute, saw this. I was like, okay, we're probably not going to retrace back here. Looked at the 5 with market open, saw this, and I was like, still again, don't know if we're going to get all the way back there. This was my ideal entry on the 5-minute, but I was down on the 1-minute right here. And I saw that we had closed above these highs. We had a whole 1-minute demand zone right here to respect. I'll make this a different color for you guys so that you can see what exactly I'm talking about. And yeah, so respecting this yellow zone, had my stops below. We pushed up a bit, just grabbed more liquidity from this demand zone and fly to our TP. So this would have been my break-even point right around here. And boom, it's that easy, guys. It's honestly, like, that's all it was, is that historical. I do need to work. I think the entry was a little bit risky because we weren't that protected with the stop loss, obviously with the demand and the blue. But always just looking to see what I could do better at. Obviously, the 10:05 entry, I didn't know that it was going to be a thing. So that's like, oh well. But obviously it was a very clear buy day, as you can see by this hourly structure just taking off. So yeah, that's about it, honestly. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll answer them in future videos. But yeah, in terms of the trade, this was very clean, very nice. We just grabbed more liquidity. Drawdown's perfectly fine until it hits our stop loss. We're super valid. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the verse of the day especially. And I'm just going to keep uploading again daily, especially with my NAS trades. I'll have those daily, what I take, what I don't take, whatever happens in the day. So I'll catch you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Peace.